Hey everybody, I'm back here on the river. Got the fire going. Got an iron grate there to cook some beans on maybe. Tripod. Hang a pot over the fire. Firewood on the truck. Tent set up. I already got my mental trap out. Table set up. Coolers of food and drinks. Radio playing. Tackle box, metal detector, lantern, Coleman stoves, propane. Going to make my own hash browns. Coffee pot, cast iron cooking, metal griddle, pot and skillet, Coleman stove, another tripod. Mental trap is stowed out. Got some chairs here. Charging this battery off my jumper cables. Charging this battery up to run this electric light, so I'll save my propane. Was going to charge the battery at home on the battery charger. Battery charger quit working, so I'm charging it now. My friend's up there in the cabin. He's letting me camp here. He has a battery charger I can plug up on electric. For now, I'm charging on this truck. Got a tester there. I can test it and see how hot the battery is with that tester. So I'm out here on the banks of the Nolichucky River, going to sleep in a tent. Got my tent set up. Iron mattress. Got the commode plumbed in. Got my clothes over on the left in a suitcase. Propane, water. Some more jugs of water in the truck bed. Plenty of food in that cooler right there. Cabbage, kielbasa sausage, hamburger meat, hot dogs, hash browns, whole potatoes. On the river here by myself. I'll be camping by myself. Got some neighbors out there. My friend's up there in his cabin, but I'm here by myself, and this is my setup here at the campsite on the Nolichucky River. I'll be back.